as I continue to feature some of our great members, I thought it would be a super opportunity to take this one outside. Tucson is beautiful this time of year. So I'd like to introduce to you Jo English. Jo is an administrator in a practice here in Tucson and has been for a number of years. She was very kind to give us her time, and so I'd like to further introduce Jo English. Thank you.
So, Jo, how long have you lived in this area?
I'm a native. I was born and raised here in Tucson.
Really? I did not know that. Good for you. And so, how long have you actually been in the dental field?
I have been in the dental field for 18 years now.
Wow. And you got your start where?
I actually went to a local school here for dental assisting, and so that's when I started there.
Fabulous. And did you continue straight through in dentistry, or did you so often we segue here and there, and did you do that as well?
I did. I started off as a dental assistant, and then from there I went on to working in the medical field, and then I came back into the dentistry, our dental program.
Interesting. Good for you. So tell me a little bit about why you enjoy dentistry the way you do.
I enjoy dentistry because I understand the importance of it and the overall health that just dentistry puts on an individual. So that's why I really enjoy being in it.
And what do you mind me asking, because we all have challenges in everything we do. So what would you say is your biggest challenge when it comes to working within the dental community? And I know you are an administrator, so.
Correct. My biggest hurdle, I would say, is impressing the importance of staff, of how it is to actually offer customer service and care about the patients to make their transition to having their work or their needs met.
So another question for you, everything isn't all work and no play. What do you enjoy during your free time?
I enjoy spending time with my son and my husband as well. We do a lot of outdoors things, horses and horse events and 4-H, so that keeps us pretty busy and keeps us happy on the other end.
That's wonderful, and this is certainly the part of the country where you can get a lot of that good stuff in.
That is true. Sometimes a little too much.
No, never too much. Tell me a little bit about what you're thinking, kind of your future plans in the field of dentistry, because I know you are a real go-getter. I know you personally, and I've seen you in action. So what are your thoughts there?
I would say my forte, or I feel that my niche is marketing. I feel that through that, it's just a win-win for everybody, not only for the practice as well as the staff and as well as the patients, because you're putting out names of dentists that have the heart and the desire to provide for patients, and that's where I see my future going, is in marketing.
Wonderful. And I know that you have mentioned to me in the past that you're a firm believer, as I am, that it all starts internally. Could you tell me a little bit about that?
Sure. I feel that the way I implement a marketing program is through teaching the staff on how to market. That way they're keen on it, as well as the doctor is getting the maximum of his employees and the maximum of his dollar, and actually meeting the needs and putting his name and the practice out there.
Wonderful. So true. So I have a feeling that you too have a little touch of that entrepreneurial spirit in you.
I do.
I know you do. So if you had your way and you could design a game plan for yourself going forward, what do you think that might be?
I would, like I said, marketing is my niche, so I feel that I would go forward with that and start trying to meet these dentists and help them understand the better side of marketing versus what's been out there before, and as though they feel it's a money pit. So I would want them to understand and implement the program where they would maximize their dollar.
Wonderful. Well, Jo, you have been a delight to let us interview you here, and hopefully others will listen and see what you've got to say, because we are a big group of sharing dental professionals. So I thank you so much, and hopefully we'll get you on camera sometime soon. But thanks again for everything.
Well, thank you, and thank everyone as well.